Welcome back, viewers. Now let's turn our focus to the world of business, where Zomato is facing a major setback. The food delivery platform is facing a GST notice of over staggering rupees 803 crore. The demand, which includes a hefty penalty, has led to the company's shares dropping by 2% on closing. CEO Deepinder Goyal has said that Zomato will challenge the fine, asserting that Zomato has always complied with tax regulations. Watch our special report to know all the latest developments in this case. Zomato, a leading food delivery platform led by Deepinder Goyal, is facing a financial blow. The company has been slapped with a GST demand of over rupees 401 crore, which includes a matching penalty, bringing the total to rupees 803.4 crore. The ejection order was issued by the Joint Commissioner of CGST and Central Excise of Thane, Maharashtra. This announcement has also led to Zomato's shares falling by 2.12%. Zomato responded to the notice. It believes it has a strong case. The company defended its position by saying it has followed all compliances and now plans to challenge the order. Previously, the company had been under the eye of social media when an institutional investor questioned its claim of 100% green deliveries, posting the picture of its delivery partner riding a petrol bike. With mounting legal and reputational challenges, Zomato is now facing headwinds affecting its credibility.
And we begin first up with the newsbreak that's coming in on the One Nation, One Poll promised by the central government. We understand that the bill will be tabled in the Lok Sabha on 16th of December. This, of course, comes after it got the cabinet nod a few days ago. So the report on One Nation, One Poll bill that also received cabinet's nod, of course, ahead of being tabled in the Lok Sabha. The bill is set to be tabled on 16th of December by Arjun Ram Meghwal. So One Nation, One Poll bill that will be tabled by Arjun Ram Meghwal in the Lok Sabha on 16th of December. Note that the bill has been worked upon extensively by a panel that was spearheaded by the former President Ram Nath Kovind. Let's go across to Gopi. She's joining us live from the Vijay Chowk. Gopi, good morning. We now have a confirmation that the bill on One Nation, One Poll will be tabled on 16th of December. First up, if you can quickly run us through the salient features of the One Nation, One Poll bill.
Well, in fact, Samiksha, very good morning to you and the viewers. When you speak of One Nation, One Poll, as you've correctly mentioned, the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal is going to table the bill in the lower house of the Parliament on Monday. While this bill constantly focuses on the simultaneous elections that would happen at state and as well as Gram Panchayat level, while the discussion, the other bill will also be based on the elections happening in the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Puducherry. This is what we are learning from our sources. This is all that is going to happen on Monday. Speaking of One Nation, One Poll, Samiksha, we have seen that there have been disagreements against this particular bill by the opposition. We have seen how they have raised a question of ruling party dominating and being hegemonic over passing this bill, while the salient features of this particular bill would be, as per what the ruling party has always reiterated, that it is going to save the administrative force and it is going to save a lot of money by organizing simultaneous elections at state as well as Gram Panchayat level. So these are the silent features. Most probably the challenge, the next challenge would be to drive and derive the consensus on this One Nation, One Poll bill, which will be challenging. And the deliberations and discussions, we will have to wait and watch what happens post the bill is tabled in the Parliament. Back to you.
All right, Gopi, thank you for the moment. We will just come across to you again for more breakings.